Hi, I'm Nia, and I just completed my level 5 in March, but now I just did a refreshers program. It was a 4-day program with Dr. Rajesh, and I'm now doing the third and fourth day of level 4. One thing I love about his classes and what absolutely captivated me is his way of teaching the class. Because I'm a very logical person, he has an ability to just cut things down very clearly and explain it so well and just captivate you with his words, and I just absolutely loved it, and I do believe it has tremendously brought a lot of understanding to the learnings that I feel like I may have missed out earlier on when I did the levels previously, but I feel like he has really filled in the gaps that I had. And I was just telling all the others how I would love to have him here in Dubai and just keep learning from him. And I'm sure that it's not the end for me.